Hello Jessica, Merry Christmas. I'm sorry you couldn't be with me this year, but I've decided to bring Inverness to you, and this is one of my favourite parts of Inverness. It's called the Clacknaharry Sea Lock, and it's where the Caledonian Canal meets the sea, which is behind me here. And around here you can actually see dolphins if you're lucky, throughout the summer months when the water's a bit warmer. Sadly, in the 3 years I've lived here, I haven't actually seen any dolphins yet, other than the day I raced to Burghead and I was lucky enough to catch the fin of one dolphin following a boat. And the reason why I like it here so much is because it feels very remote, feels kind of like you're on the edge of the world. And when we get like the sea fog here and the darker days, it's got a nice bright day today here on Christmas Eve, but it can be very mysterious and spooky, and I quite like that. It's also a really cool place to run as well, and I do run around here as part of my longer runs. So seeing as we're here anyway, let's have a proper look around. Welcome back. So let's get on to the main event. I've chosen to give you the gift of song and dance, and it's going to be one of the most exciting and colourful concerts of 2022, without a doubt. Looking back, who we've seen before, we've seen Ollie Murs, we've been to the V Festival, Rita Ora, Emeli Sandé, and of course we went to the One Love concert at Manchester. And a little clue, this band were represented at One Love in Manchester on that day. Any ideas? So I'm going to give you a few very short video clips from this band and one of their more famous songs. So it's time to start teasing you a little bit. See if you've got any idea at all. Have you guessed? So we are heading to Wembley Stadium on August the 20th, 2022 to see a band you've always wanted to see, and that band is Coldplay. At Wembley Stadium, I can tell you at the moment, they are being supported by London Grammar. Check this out.
You've got a higher power. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. See the street, down your face.
And there is also a slight twist. I've applied an upgrade to this gift, and that is the gift of +1. So not only will you be going, you will also be able to take another human being of your choice, and I wonder who that will be. And at this point maybe I should say, Merry Christmas Luke, have a great day mate. It looks like you're going to see Coldplay as well. Anyway, it's definitely going to be one for the memories. Coldplay at Wembley in August next year. One to look forward to. I wish you both a very happy Christmas. Have a fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you both very soon. Love you lots. Gwen, I will see you very soon in the next video. Ciao.